In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ElevenLabs to generate voiceovers or speech from your text. ElevenLabs is a leading voice generation AI software out there that will blow your mind by the capabilities that it has. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn text to speech. So when you go to ElevenLabs, this is the website, elevenlabs.io. If you scroll down, you can see we have an option to enter your text and then you can try it out. Now, I don't recommend you to start using this without logging in because, as you can see, we can only generate a voice of up to 500 characters. However, if you log in, you realize that you can generate up to 10,000 characters. So it is recommended go ahead and log in first, or just click on try for free. And here, just log in with the Gmail account or with your Google account to get started. And once you log in, you will get to this page. Now let's look at the pricing models. With ElevenLabs, you can have a free plan, and with free plans, you see you can get up to 10,000 credits. This is enough to generate a 10-minute of ultra high quality text to speech a month. Also, with a free account, you can generate speech in 32 languages using thousands of unique voices, as well as create custom synthetic voices. So to get started, go and click on text to speech, and then you have to paste or to write your text that you want to be converted into speech here. So I have here a text about David's reign that I want to convert into speech. Now, once you paste your text here, you can see the generate button will be active. Now, before you generate, you want to go and choose the voice that you want. As you can see, this is Rachel, which means it's a female voice. Go out and choose from a number of voices that are available. You can click here to see all of them and select the one that you so wish. For my case, I want to go with Bran.
The thing always happens that you really believe in, and the belief in a thing makes it happen.
Great. So I think that is perfect for my generation. So I'll select Bran. And now you can see the voice has changed from Rachel to Bran. Now the next thing you need to do is to choose stability and similarities. For this, I'll wish just to leave them as they are. Now next, go ahead and click on generate. And as you can see, I have 712 characters out of the 5,000 characters that I can generate into speech. I'll hit the generate, then wait. And
David's reign was marked by military conquests that expanded Israel's borders.
And here we go. Our generation is done. It was done in seconds. Now, as you can see from the 10,000 credits that you have, your balance will be displayed here. And now I have a balance of 9,288 credits that I can use to generate more voiceovers or more voices from text. Now let's go and listen into our generation.
David's reign was marked by military conquests that expanded Israel's borders and secured its position as a regional power. However, it was also marred by personal failings. One of the darkest episodes of David's life was his affair with Bathsheba, the wife of Uriah the Hittite. After Bathsheba became pregnant, David attempted to cover up the sin by arranging Uriah's death in battle.
And that's it. Our voice is perfectly well done. Now to download your voice, look for the download button which is here. Just click on it to download. Once you click on it, your voice will be downloaded on your computer, and now you can play it externally. And that is it. Now if you want to go and find the previously downloaded files, you can just go next to settings. You have history, and here you will find all the creations, all the text you have ever converted into speech. They'll be available here. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.